sitting in a bar, tipping a jar in Jackson. Out on the street, well, the summer sun's so hot. I had me quite a few of them barroom queens here in Jackson. And I just can't seem to drink that loving baby off of my brain. She's on the dawn woman. You give me the honky tonk blues. I played me a D-ball C in New York City. To put up for some kind of a fight. Later then she covered me in roses. How she blew my nose and then she blew my mind. Yeah, she's on guitar way. Give me them honky tonk blues. That's right. Maybe a D-ball C in New York City. Had to put up for some kind of a fight. And that lady then, she covered me in roses. And I just can't say to drink her off of my mind. No, she's long guitar woman. You give me them honky tonk blues. Now she's a honky tonk woman. You give me them honky tonk blues. Thank you. Thanks for paying attention, man. Sometimes I think I'm up here just playing with myself, man. I could do that at home, but at least some of you folks paying a little attention. Thank you, brother.